Okay, so check it out. Through our gear, and we're selling some of the gear we don't need. And this is one of the things that we got that's really sweet. If anybody's interested, it's a GoPro Hero 8. Got this about 6 months ago. Has the light, has the, what do you call it, LED mod. And I'll tell you why we're selling it. It's a great thing.
Little that else you see there. Show them the cool thing that goes through your arm thing over there.
Tool right here. This is a I thought it would be a $70 little selfie stick, but this makes this tool all worth it. Your iPhones, which are great cameras, but when you're trying to do really hairy things like get a shot out your window while you're driving, this is a really good camera because it's very sturdy. You don't feel that it's going to fly out of your hand. You don't feel that.
Keep it. We got all this stuff. It's pretty cool.
It's pretty cool, but I might sell it though. Anyways, I get real nervous when I'm sticking it out the window on a selfie stick. I might keep it now that I say that. Like it's going to blow off or something like that. I do not feel that way with this. I mean, I can stick this thing up. I mean, it is solid. Then I got this. Wrap this thing around. If I had a water ski boat, I could sit here as a water ski boat and do this thing. You know, not feel comfortable doing that with an iPhone, just because it's just bigger. This is just smaller. So now that I see it, I kind of want to keep it. It was really good in Panama, but out here we don't go much faster. Our car doesn't go faster than 45 miles an hour, and it's not because it can't. It's because it doesn't really go much faster than that. Probably could if you step on it, but just can't turn. So it can't really go faster than 45. But the real reason why we're selling this is because I must have made countless videos promoting this product, and I tweeted GoPro USA and GoPro UK at least 50 dozen times. I'm kidding, that'd be insane. Probably about a half dozen times. And they didn't even heart one video. They didn't comment, they didn't say anything. Apple, on the other hand, they're having me direct message them. So, yeah, I'm selling my GoPro and I'm buying another iPhone or another Apple gear because Apple contacted me when I tweeted how good I love their product. I don't know how big GoPro is, but they've got 2 of them. And so anyways, so that's probably the main reason why we're not really, quite honestly, I mean, love only goes, same thing with Nikon. I mean, I sold all my Nikons. I'm going to buy another one because I might need one, but I'm also considering Sony. But all it would take is a tweet from Nikon, and I would have been loyal like the way I am to Apple right now. Because their product, while it might not be as good as Apple, it certainly does warm me up when you know that you have somebody there that's saying, hey, if you have a problem, call me. And I don't get that from Nikon. I don't get that from GoPro. So my advice is buy the GoPro.